Hey tech enthusiasts! 2025 is here, and it's time to level up your wrist game. Whether you're into fitness tracking, productivity on the go, or just love cutting-edge style, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best smartwatches in 2025. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 redefines the smartwatch experience with cutting-edge features, sleek design, and unparalleled performance. As a flagship wearable, it seamlessly blends functionality, health tracking, and style, catering to tech enthusiasts and fitness lovers alike. One of its standout features is the advanced health monitoring system, offering real-time heart rate tracking, SpO2 measurement, and enhanced sleep analysis. New to the Galaxy Watch 7 is the body composition analysis tool, empowering users to track metrics like muscle mass and body fat percentage, perfect for those serious about health. Powered by an upgraded chipset, the Galaxy Watch 7 ensures lightning-fast performance. With an AMOLED display, the watch delivers vibrant visuals, protected by durable Gorilla Glass DX for rugged use. It also boasts an extended battery life, lasting up to 3 days on a single charge. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate over 90 workout modes, GPS integration, and water resistance up to 50 meters. Meanwhile, the seamless integration with Samsung's ecosystem and support for third-party apps ensure a personalized experience. Whether you're aiming for peak fitness or staying connected on the go, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is a game-changer. Its elegant design and robust features make it a must-have for modern living. Number 2. The Google Pixel Watch 3 elevates the smartwatch game, combining stunning design, advanced features, and deep integration with Google's ecosystem. It's the ultimate companion for productivity, fitness, and connectivity. A hallmark of the Pixel Watch 3 is its refined circular AMOLED display, which offers sharper visuals, vibrant colors, and always-on capability. Crafted with premium materials like Gorilla Glass 3 and stainless steel, it's as durable as it is stylish. The slimmer profile and customizable bands ensure it fits any lifestyle, from boardrooms to gyms. Under the hood, the Pixel Watch 3 features an updated processor for faster performance and seamless app transitions. Powered by Wear OS 4, users enjoy effortless navigation, Google Assistant, and access to thousands of apps on Google Play. The watch is packed with health and fitness tools, including continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and blood oxygen levels. New features like stress detection and advanced workout modes, paired with Fitbit integration, make it a health powerhouse. Boasting improved battery life, up to 48 hours on a single charge, it keeps up with your busiest days. The Pixel Watch 3 seamlessly connects to Android devices, offering the best of Google at your wrist. Number 3. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 sets a new benchmark for rugged smartwatches, blending innovation, durability, and advanced features tailored for explorers, athletes, and tech enthusiasts. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, the Ultra 2 is built to withstand extreme conditions, from icy mountaintops to deep dives. Its bright 3000 nit Retina display ensures unmatched visibility, even under direct sunlight, while the customizable action button provides quick access to essential functions. Packed with next-level technology, the Ultra 2 introduces the powerful S9 SIP system and package, enabling faster performance and improved Siri functionality, including on-device health queries. With the new precision dual-frequency GPS, it delivers unmatched accuracy for outdoor navigation. The Ultra 2 excels in health and fitness tracking, offering features like continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, and advanced sleep analysis. It's also equipped with a depth app for divers and an endurance-focused battery life, lasting up to 36 hours with regular use or 72 hours in low-power mode. Seamlessly integrated into Apple's ecosystem, the Ultra 2 supports apps for productivity, entertainment, and safety, including crash detection and an upgraded emergency siren. Whether scaling peaks or tackling daily challenges, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is the ultimate wearable for those who demand more from their technology. Number 4. The Garmin Venu 3 takes health tracking and smart technology to new heights, offering a perfect blend of advanced features and everyday functionality. Designed for fitness enthusiasts and tech-savvy users, It's the ultimate tool for staying connected while prioritizing wellness. Equipped with a stunning AMOLED display, the Venu 3 delivers vibrant visuals that are easy to read in any lighting condition. Its sleek design, paired with durable materials, ensures it fits comfortably into both active and professional lifestyles. Health and fitness are at the core of the Venu 3. It includes 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking with personalized insights, and advanced features like body battery energy monitoring. The wheelchair mode offers unique tracking tailored to wheelchair users, making it one of the most inclusive smartwatches available. With over 30 built-in sports apps, preloaded workouts, and animated exercise guides, the Venu 3 supports a wide range of activities. Garmin's multi-band GPS ensures precise location tracking for outdoor adventures. Smart features like call and text notifications, music storage, and Garmin Pay keep you connected and efficient throughout the day. The watch boasts an impressive battery life of up to 14 days, reducing the need for constant charging. The Garmin Venu 3 is a game changer, empowering users to live healthier, more connected lives. Number 5. The Fitbit Versa 4 is a feature-packed smartwatch designed for those who want to take control of their health and stay connected on the go. With its sleek design, comprehensive fitness tracking, and smart functionality, the Versa 4 is a perfect companion for your active lifestyle. The watch features a lightweight and slim design, making it comfortable to wear all day, whether you're working out or attending meetings. Its bright and responsive touchscreen ensures easy navigation and readability in any condition. Health and fitness are at the core of the Versa 4, offering continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, sleep stages analysis, and stress management tools. With over 40 exercise modes, built-in GPS, and real-time workout stats, it caters to a wide range of activities from running to yoga. Smart features like call, text, and app notifications, voice assistant support, and Fitbit Pay keep you connected and productive. It integrates seamlessly with the Fitbit app, providing personalized insights and recommendations to improve your overall well-being. Boasting an impressive 6-day battery life, the Versa 4 minimizes downtime while keeping you on track with your goals. Stylish, versatile, and packed with cutting-edge technology, the Fitbit Versa 4 is your go-to smartwatch for fitness, wellness, and beyond.